Bone china is a type of soft paste porcelain that is composed of bone ash, feldspathic material, and kaolin. It has been defined as ware with a translucent body containing a minimum of 30% of phosphate derived from animal bone and calculated calcium phosphate. Developed by English potter Josiah Spode, bone china is known for its high levels of whiteness and translucency, and very high mechanical strength and chip resistance. Its high strength allows it to be produced in thinner cross-sections than other types of porcelain. From its initial development and up to the later part of the 20th century, bone china was almost exclusively an English product, with production being effectively localised in Stoke-on-Trent. Most major English firms made it, including Mintons, Coalport, Davenport, Royal Crown Derby, Royal Doulton, Wedgwood and Worcester. In the UK, references to china, or porcelain can refer to bone china, and English porcelain has been used as a term for it, both in the UK and around the world. History: the first development of what would become known as bone china was made by Thomas Fry at his Bow porcelain factory near Bow in East London in 1748. His factory was located very close to the cattle markets and slaughterhouses of Essex, and hence easy access to animal bones. Fry used up to 45% bone ash in his formulation to create what he called a Euro-fine porcelain, a Euro-unregistered trademark. Although in quality it rivaled porcelain imported from Europe and China, the factory was not a commercial success. Later, Josiah Spode in Stoke-on-Trent further developed the concept between 1789 and 1793, introducing his Stoke china in 1796, the year before his sudden death. His son Josiah too quickly rechristened the ware bone china. Among his developments was to abandon Fry a Euro-unregistered trademark procedure of calcining the bone together with some of the other body raw materials, instead calcining just the bone. Bone china quickly proved to be highly popular, leading to its production by other English pottery manufacturers. Both Spode's formulation and his business were successful. His formulation of 6 parts bone ash, 4 parts china stone and 3.5 parts china clay pure kaolin, remains the basis for all bone china, and it was only in 2009 that his company, Spode, went into receivership before eventually being purchased by Portmurian. Lennox are the only major manufacturer of bone china in the United States, and have supplied presidential services to the White House. Production: the production of bone china is similar to porcelain, except more care is needed because of its lower plasticity and a narrower vitrification range. The traditional formulation for bone china is about 25% kaolin, 25% Cornish stone and 50% bone ash. The bone ash that is used in bone china is made from cattle bones that have a lower iron content. These bones are crushed before being degelatinized and then calcined at up to 1250 degrees Celsius to produce bone ash. The ash is milled to a fine particle size. The kaolin component of the body is needed to give the unfired body plasticity which allows articles to be shaped. This mixture is then fired at around 1200 degrees Celsius. The raw materials for bone china are comparatively expensive, and the production is labor-intensive, which is why bone china maintains a luxury status and high pricing. Bone china consists of 2 crystalline phases, anorthite and tricalcium phosphate embedded in a substantial amount of glass. Boycotting by vegetarians: due to the use of animal bones in the production of some bone china, some vegetarians and vegans will avoid using or purchasing bone china. See also, porcelain, hard paste porcelain, references.